Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, November 6th. Seeing some cloudy, foggy conditions out there this morning. We do anticipate these to continue through the morning hours, then clearing up just a little bit for the afternoon before we get a chance of some showers and thunderstorms in the late afternoon hours. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see some cooler temperatures for highs up for areas to our north, ranging in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Here at Wallops, we got to near 70 degrees, and that was the same for areas across the Tidewater. This morning saw some mild lows across the region, with areas reporting lows in the mid-50s with lows near 60 down across the Tidewater. Seeing some rain across the area this morning, and yesterday did see in excess of an inch of rain for areas well to our north and across central portions of Virginia west of the Bay, with Pax River seeing almost 2 inches of rain. Here yesterday we did see a quarter of an inch of rain, and that was similar to other areas across the southern half of the forecast area. Taking a look at our conditions as of 9 a.m. this morning, seeing temperatures around the low 60s to near 70 degrees for areas to our south under cloudy skies for most areas, and we are seeing a bit of rainfall west of the Bay as a warm front lifts north across the region, seeing most of that rain up near our nation's capital with some heavy rain being reported. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing some southerly winds at the surface, starting to pick up a little bit as we approach the late morning hours. We do anticipate to be slightly breezy out there this afternoon. As it goes up to the 3,000 foot level and above, we're seeing southwesterly winds across the entire column up to 25,000 feet. Seeing wind speeds pretty consistent across the column from 6,000 to 25,000 feet, around 50 knots, with 30 knots at the 3,000 foot level, and seeing a freezing level this morning just above 13,500 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, you can see we have a warm front lifting across the area, and that's helping to generate a good amount of rain showers as well as some embedded thunderstorms up near our nation's capital, and that will continue to lift north of the area, staying away from us. But behind that warm front, we are going to be getting a cold front moving east across Virginia later this afternoon, and that's going to give us some shower activity mainly between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. late this afternoon. It is pretty cloudy out there, and it is anticipated to remain mostly cloudy to perhaps overcast through much of the day, but there is some signs of a little bit of clearing just to the south there. You can kind of see it here across southern Virginia on this map, and if we can get that clearing to move up to our area, help to give us a little bit of sunshine, that'll help to destabilize the atmosphere, giving us a better chance of some thunderstorm activity. But it does look like, regardless, due to the upper level dynamics, we're going to be seeing at least a slight chance of some thunderstorms, possibly a strong to severe thunderstorm if we get some peaks of sunshine, as we are under a slight risk from the SPC this morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, you can see that warm front that I had talked about lifting north of the region, giving that rainfall to areas west of the Bay, and you can see that cold front there behind it. That's going to continue to march eastward across the mid-Atlantic as we go throughout the day today, and then it'll be impacting us late this afternoon with some rain showers and thunderstorms between about 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. later today. So looking at our forecast charts today, going to be seeing by midday that cold front moving its way across the portions of central Virginia, and then as we go towards this evening, we are going to be seeing that front move offshore. It does look like the rain is going to end here by about 8 p.m. Very slight chance of a lingering sprinkle for an hour or so after that, but it does look like it's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff at that 8 p.m. when those showers and storms are moving east of the region, and then we're going to have some high pressure moving into the area, and that'll help to clear out the cloud cover as we go into tonight. It should become mostly cloudy by midnight tonight, and then mostly sunny for at least the first half of the day tomorrow. Then we're going to be getting a weak disturbance move across the southeast tomorrow night and tomorrow evening, and that's just going to basically help increase cloud cover across the region, becoming mostly cloudy by late tomorrow, and then overcast at times by Wednesday night into Thursday. Not really expecting any rain associated with this system. That's going to remain far to the south with still some high pressure over the area, and that's going to just, like I said, give us an increase in cloud cover. And by Thursday, going to be seeing our Nexus system approach for Friday, and then we're going to get a nice chilly weekend with no weather expected for Saturday and Sunday other than some cooler temperatures. Taking a quick look at a model output here to show our showers and thunderstorms moving across the area today. We're going to remain dry for at least the first half of the day, and you can see this is at about 1 p.m. this afternoon, and that's going to be when we're going to start to see some shower activity across portion of the Chesapeake starting to make its way over to our area. As we go towards the 3 p.m. hour, we'll start to see some more showers pop up, and then by about 4 p.m. is when we're going to start to see the chance of some isolated showers ahead of that front start to develop and impact the portion of the central Delmarva and here at in the Wallops region. And then by 6 p.m., that's when our best chances for some thunderstorms starts. You can see those thunderstorms starting to impact the Salisbury, Cambridge area at that time, and as we move to 8 p.m., that line is going to continue to move eastward, eventually reaching the Wallops region sometime around 7 to 8 p.m. this evening. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, just going to continue to see those low clouds throughout the morning hours. Going to be seeing those southerly winds increase a bit, becoming 10 to 15 knots and gusty late this morning, and then becoming south-southwesterly, still around 10 to 15 knots and gusty this afternoon to early this evening before that front departs. Going to be seeing those low clouds clear out by about noon. Still a slight chance they could be lingering a little bit afternoon, and then seeing a couple peaks of sunshine as we go towards the afternoon hours. Perhaps a little bit of question still of how much sunshine we're going to see this afternoon. Still expect there are going to be some abundant cirrus, but we get these low clouds clearing out, give us a little bit of sunshine, help to destabilize that atmosphere, and give us those chances for thunderstorms as we go late this afternoon into early this evening. Behind that, we are going to be seeing a high today of 76 as we get those winds turning more southwesterly this afternoon as well. Behind this front, we're going to be seeing those winds shift westerly and becoming rather weak around 5 to 10 knots for the overnight hours, and then becoming northwesterly at 3 to 8 knots by mid-morning Wednesday. Also going to be seeing those clouds clear out by about midnight tonight and becoming mostly clear to clear by the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. So taking a closer look at our terminal forecast, going to just continuing to see those ceilings at 500 feet or below throughout the morning hours. Still a chance of seeing those ceilings remain 500 to 1,000 feet in the early afternoon hours. And then as we go towards the mid-afternoon hours around 2 p.m., we'll potentially see a little bit more clearing, but still looking at a ceiling between around 5 to 10,000 feet at times. And as we go towards 4 p.m., we start to see those clouds thicken up, develop as we get that front approaching. We'll see ceilings back down to possibly between 1,000 to 2,000 feet in any heavier shower or thunderstorm activity. After that front moves east of the area after 8 p.m., those clouds are going to be pretty quick to clear out, seeing only a few at 12,000 feet and a few cirrus clouds at midnight, and then potentially becoming clear after 2 a.m. and into the early to mid-morning hours of Wednesday. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly sunny skies early as high pressure builds in, then becoming partly to mostly cloudy late with a high of 67. Wednesday night is going to be partly to mostly cloudy with a seasonable low of 48, and then Thursday is going to be a little bit cooler and mostly cloudy skies, only looking at a high of 61 with no rain chances really expected for Wednesday or Thursday. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be looking at that high pressure being in control for Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 60s here at Wallops, and then Friday we're going to be getting a system moving south to north across the region. A little bit still uncertain exactly how that's going to play out with the temperatures across the area, but it does look like a decent chance of some light rain or some scattered showers throughout the day on Friday, mainly in the afternoon, but still can't rule out some rain happening in the morning. And then when we go into the weekend, we're going to have that front move across the area Friday. That's going to give us that rain, and then we're going to have a large area of cool high pressure moving into the area. That's going to really knock down our temperatures, with our highs really struggling to get into the 50s here at Wallops. And then you can see that Sunday morning low is going to be going to dip below freezing as we get some calm winds, clear skies, and a cool dry air mass across the area. As we go into Monday, still looking a little bit uncertain as we go that far out with the models. It does look like the possibility of seeing a low move up the coast and deepen as it continues to move north up the coast, and a little bit of a weak nor'easter giving us some rain possibly on Monday. Well, that'll do it for your daily weather brief. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations weather brief. Have a great day.